We traveled to Antarctica in February 2013. Anita planned it. It was her last continent to travel to. Interestingly, it was my second last. I hadn't been to Africa yet then. At that time, we just want to do very cool things. We just want to travel to places that not many people have been. There's only 30,000 people every year allowed to go into Antarctica. We only have 12 days in total for that holiday. So instead of doing the 11 days cruise, we chose to fly into Antarctica.
Welcome to Antarctica. Thank you.
We spent 5 days living on a boat, met some penguins, lots of penguins, took some pictures, went for a swim, penguin did actually, had one of the most amazing time of our lives. First night was tough. They were handing out sea seedless pills. Next morning, we woke up in Antarctica. And this is our first landing. The hike was hard. Going down was fun though. It's mind-blowing. It's actually so hard to open your eyes. Everything is so white. One of the things that we were most looking forward to in going to Antarctica was seeing the penguins. They have so much character, and they are so interesting. They are so adorable. It's funny how they were just doing their own things and totally ignoring us. Look, this is the classic penguin dip. If I can go back to one place that I have ever been to, I will go back to Antarctica. Did you see that? They were literally just swimming around and under our boat. They can actually tip our boat. I was scared, but they are not. They love to be around us. One of them did a poo just right there. It was pink. Initially, I want to make these videos just for us to be able to look back for the rest of our lives. Who still remembers those iPhone 5s? Look at how cute we were. Now I also want to inspire people to explore the world and be better citizens to the planet. Finally, we got our passport stamped and sent some postcards out. How can you describe Antarctica to anybody? They have to go see it. You can't tell a person what Antarctica is. Like, you can't just show them the photos or the videos. It's a very special place. You have to go see it, feel it, touch it, smell it yourself. Do you know, as cute as the penguins are, they stink so bad. Annie was so hoping one of these would stick and fall into her arms. I can just watch these penguins all day long. And now I can leave you with some of the raw videos to enjoy.
Really nice to get low, so you're get the penguin perspective, right? So you're not shooting down on them all the time. Territorial and pair bonding displays right now. The sky pointing, that's called. You see, they put their head straight.
Make sure you let him pass. Yeah. Don't walk his way. Because if I don't make him more fuel,
I'm out of there.
I love the gentleman.